From jambalaya to biryani to risotto, I am a lover of one-pot rice dishes. This one-pot rice dish using sausage is a dish that I like to show to advanced home cooks and also to beginner cooks that may not be confident in their cooking. The reason I like to show this dish is that it's all based on a measurement of 1. Once you learn the basic structure, you can customize it to your personal taste, and any weeknight that you're busy, you can just knock it out. 1 medium onion. Alright, we just want to do a simple dice. It's making me very emotional. 1 pound Italian sausage. So one of the most important things that you're gonna do is you need to find really good Italian sausage. You can use bulk, but my favorite Italian sausage in town comes from a butcher and they have them in links. So what I want to do is, before we get cooking, I'm just gonna slit the casing so that we can easily empty out the contents when we are cooking the dish. Alright, let's start cooking. 1 tablespoon oil. We are going to sweat the onions. If you got bulk sausage, go ahead and dump it in. I'm gonna take my links now and remove the casing. And once it's in there, we're gonna crumble it up. We're gonna break up the sausage. One cup Basmati rice.
Before we add the liquid, I want to get the rice in and get it coated with the oil and fat from the sausage.
One cup stock. One large can peeled and diced tomatoes. One tablespoon granulated garlic. One tablespoon dried oregano. One pint glass water. One teaspoon salt. And now we're gonna let this simmer until the rice is cooked and the liquid has drawn down. Like I said, you are waiting for the rice to get cooked through and the liquid to reduce, and then you are ready.